Hadin ke Kynthoh ke bami persya ya Tnad ke koi kakhia bagi plop ha ke rukom trekam na kaliang direktor ke Tnad ke koi kakhia ke jela u doktor war loong ba kum ke Tnad hi kam siam la plop satya susu loong ru ba kite ke Kynthoh gila kadau bai ya kinong tre ke koi kakhia kentup nadu ki doktor ki nurse ki Shah ki agaunadi kumju ki dobar snong ki badon bentalang ha ke Jingiakhun yo covid baki la plop lun.
We felt, under the guidance and able leadership of the Honorable Minister Health, that we are not to concentrate only in the headquarter and inside the four corners of our office walls. We are to go out, and when we go out, we talk, and when we talk, we discuss, and when we discuss with the people at the ground level, we get inputs, we learn, and we provide suggestions to them. Ni ai ya ki jingmut ki jangi ni yu ni shimlang na kiru ya jingmut ki jangki na ki shnong ki bofer. But you have seen that all along the sacrifice made by our health workers, together with all the other frontline workers, police department, district administration, kishnong ni bofer kibatray shit raham met bat mansib kajing tray shit raham umnei tang ginong sanchar shnong hado kinong song shnong bat kabagong san le hangni kamongyam kajing duai jong iwei inong song shnong bangin la ban jok ya kani kajing tang kani ka sacrifice kani kajing len ladi jong baro kalau konra ya kai konra ya kajing khat ya kini frontline workers kum ki frontline warriors but next coming hado mendaru ba ni nakaliang jela ngilale kat bala but hagani kajing ile juni in this fight of us ni don kajing gunah ni hutai. We have our own shortcomings. We go to many places, we explain things, we take back suggestions from them, we give the advisories, and all along when we go to all the places across the state, not only in Shillong, we have gone across the state, and we have advised also to others to go forth to the people and give that confidence to them. And in each and every visit of ours, I don't think it is lip service. It was a service given from the heart. It was a service given after due discussion. And now, after all this hard work, at times we get stones thrown at us, at times flowers are placed before us. That's very natural. When we had only 2-3 cases, we have not said, oh, Meghalaya is the best. We have not said that. What we have said to all our health workers is that go on fighting, go on working, because we know that is going to come. And when it comes, you should be ready. We are not going to listen to anything which is negative, which will demotivate us, but we will listen to only things which motivate us. And the morale of our workers, frontline workers everywhere is very, very high.